Hello everyone. I just find out some beavers place near in my area actually. So there are like a track where you can go and check the waters in the place where beavers are uh, blocked the water. So you see the white stork. Okay, let's check up there. What's going on? We will see some dam or not. I think if I would wait here for a longer time, I would meet the beavers, because it seems very good place to live for the beavers. There is kind of dam, but it's a very small dam. I think I should make a flight with my drone to see more area.